welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So today I'm going to be doing a very quick get ready with me. This is pretty much my routine when I do not have time or I only have like 5 minutes to get ready. So yeah, let's get into this. So first I'm going to start with my Kiki Beauty Makeup Ready Face Primer. This is like my favorite primer of life. So next we're going to move on to brows, and I'm just going to be using my Palladio brow powder. This is in the shade brown. And then I'm just going to be taking some concealer. This is the shade Fawn from LA Girl, and I'm just cleaning up the top of my brows just to kind of give it a little bit more of a shape, especially because I don't have a lot of brow hairs on the top of this brow. And for foundation today, I'm going to be trying out the Fenty, what is this called? Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation. Now, I typically don't try a foundation out well in advance, but because this is an expensive foundation, especially to buy here in South Africa, I'm testing it out for the first time today. I actually have worn it once before for just like a few hours, and I really like the way it looks. But today I'm gonna give it like a full day test and see how it goes. I'm just being overzealous right now, but anyway. So this is the shade 330 if you guys are wondering, and I know it's looking pretty light on my skin right now, but it's gonna blend right in once it oxidizes. So as you guys can see, well, I don't know if you guys will be able to tell on camera, but this is a pretty good match to my skin tone. I'm actually going to just leave it at this, even though it's a very medium coverage. But I want to see how it wears on the skin, so I'm not building up too many layers. Then I'm going to go in with some Wet n Wild concealer. Also just carve out under my brows. And then lazy girl trick is to just spray your beauty blender with some setting spray. I don't have any concealer on my chin, but I'm literally just pressing some setting spray into my skin. So I mean, if you have like pigmented lids like I do, you can totally skip putting concealer on your actual eyelid, which I mean I should have done, because it's gonna act like a natural eyeshadow pretty much, but we can fix that situation real quick. I'm just taking the dry bit of my sponge, just rubbing it. We're just winging this get ready with me at this point, you know what I'm saying? So then I'm taking my black Opal Deluxe finishing powder, and I had to mix this with another translucent powder because in my Nikki tutorials video it was looking way too warm and I was just not here for that. So it's like, let me mix it with another translucent powder, see how it goes, and take it from there. So I'm just gonna set the center of my face pretty much. Physicians Formula butter bronzer, and I'm just going to be bronzing up my cheekbones. This is literally like an everyday 5-minute face routine. Then I'm going to set my brows with some brow gel. This is the Benefit Ready Set Brow. And then for lashes, I'm just gonna finish off with my Essence Lash Princess mascara. Oh, it has been a while since I used this mascara, but it definitely makes my lashes look so good. I'm just going to touch up some of my Kiki Beauty Rose Wax Lip Balm, and then finishing off with some Kiki Beauty Makeup Ready Cool Citrus Setting Spray. Totally forgot the name. And that is pretty much it, you guys, for this very basic everyday makeup routine. I mean, literally, I don't even have any lipstick on, so you know how basic this is. I really hope you guys have kind of enjoyed this video, and I hope that it gives you guys kind of more or less a template with regards to what kind of routine you can follow on an everyday basis that's very simple and something that you can do in under 10 minutes, actually under 5 minutes. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Also, don't forget to slay all day every day with and without makeup.